Ya ka World Music Day ne ka singi ka tem ka pot ha ka perthei la rakhi hak arphawai trik jilio ha ka program bala khot plong da ka office Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District ha po District Library Auditorium menthong juai ha ka ni ka jing rakhi la wan ya shimbanta da ki kinhun nong tem nong ruai na kaleng ka district ki bakun thop ya ka kinhun ELEVB choir Magnificent Obsession juai Reggae Collective Larger Than 90 TSEVA Anibawar, Horrel da Paswet, FE1 Roy Ringklem, KRE, Bat Kalak Du Hakajingo Kop Roy Inter-School. Haba ay kuble ya baro hakanigasngi bakerpang, Deputy Commissioner U Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS ulaong, kanigasngi kamday tanggapot katem, Henry Kadey kajinga kenduk lang kum ginong shnong hapo ka imlang kasalang. Ula banjur ru ba habaro kipateng, kenhun benriu bat kiriu syampang, kia teli lang kawai ban rakhe ya kawai kasur ka bapenya soklut ya baro ula banjur ru bakatem kaput karwai kasyau kadan ya kabor ban penkat ban aiman sim bat ban penya teli ula ong bakatem kaput kaya thu iki khana habaki kentien kiduna kara yangi hagi khalipman jong ka jingkmen bat ka pentingan yangi hakapor jong ka jingsngausi habak do halor ka jingru spa hakaliang ka kolshor jong ka district ulak do bakat tem kaput hapo ka district kamde satya tang jingpen bernya Henry ka penpaw ka jinglong kerpang bat kiriti dustur ha ka juk kapor Deputy Commissioner ula ai kuble kerpang ya barok ki kenhun ki balaya shimbenta ha ka ni ka jingrakhi.
Today it is not just about the music, it is about coming together across generation backgrounds experiences to celebrate a universal language that connects us all. Whether you are a child humming a lullaby, a teenager discovering a favorite band, or someone who grew up with the timeless classic, music has touched you across. Music carries the power to heal, to inspire, to unite. It tells stories when you fall short. It lifts us in times of joy and comforts us in times of sorrow. And here in Viziantia Hills, where culture and tradition run deep, music is not just entertainment, it is identity. I want to thank you all, even to the performers who will be performing today, the local talents, the school students, the choirs, the musicians, for sharing their voices, their rhythms, their hearts. You are the soul of this celebration. As we are here to enjoy today's performance, I encourage all of you, young, to sing along, clap, dance, or simply let the music take over. Let us continue to promote the richness of our culture while embracing the harmony that the global music brings in. Happy World Music Day, everyone. Let the music play on. Thank you all.